What's up, workout buddies? Welcome back to my channel. Wow, the first month of 2020 flew by so fast for me, but I'm just so glad I was able to push out every single workout video that's going to be a part of this program and put the program together on my website for you guys. I think one of the videos actually took me 30 hours just to edit, but I managed to push through. Yes! You do have to sign up to be one of my students on my online school to take advantage of the platform, but with the platform you can actually mark your daily workouts as complete as you go through the program, which I think you guys will really love, so I do encourage you to sign up for it. Alright, let's talk about the program. So in order to achieve an hourglass figure, you do have to burn off some excess fat in the waist area if you're carrying any extra fat in that area so that your curves will shine through. So the focus of this program is first of all going to be fat loss. Second of all, we're going to be doing exercises that shrink the waist. And third, we're going to be focusing on resistance training for the booty. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while now, then you know I'm all about maintaining slim legs. So the booty workouts in this program will not grow your legs. Let me repeat that. The booty workouts in this program will not grow your legs. Now, if you're relatively new to exercise, you will definitely see a more dramatic difference with this program than someone who has been exercising for a while, because for beginners, a lot of times you'll be able to burn fat and gain muscle at the same time. If you've been working out for a while now, then the main difference you'll see with this program is probably going to be fat loss and shrinking the waist area. I will probably create a sequel or a part 2 to this program that will focus more on muscle gain in the booty area, which I'll probably release later on in this year. So if you don't want to miss that, be sure to tap that subscribe button and join my YouTube fam and become my next workout buddy. And also tap the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll get notified when that program comes out later on this year. Alright, let's talk about diet. Having healthy eating habits is going to play a huge part in how effective this program is going to be for you. Don't believe in the myth that if you work out, you can just eat a lot of junk. If you want to see results, you gotta have good, healthy eating habits. So for fat loss, it's really important to have a small to moderate calorie deficit so that your body will start burning fat for fuel. That doesn't mean you should starve yourself. Starving yourself has no good outcome in the long run, so just don't do that. Eat a healthy, balanced diet and just be a little bit cognizant of portion control and you'll be fine. For muscle gain, especially later on in your fitness journey, you do need to be in a slight caloric surplus in order to grow your lean muscle mass. And I'll definitely get into that more in the second part of this program, which I'll release later on this year. If you guys like free programs, be sure to drop a thumbs up. That way I know I should make more of them for you guys. Anyways, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys really soon.